Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you swap coins on Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to swap the coins, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application and then just simply unlock the application by putting your fingerprints or passcode. Now, after doing this much, you will get to see this swap option at bottom. Just simply tap to swap option, and after tapping in there, you just simply have to select the network or the coin which you would like to swap. I just simply tap to Bitcoin, and after tapping into Bitcoin or any other desired coin from your Trust Wallet, you just simply have to tap into this swap button, and after that you will get the option of from and to. Just simply select suitable options, and if you have some quantity here, you will get to see this continue button visible. Just simply select the amount of the currency you would like to swap and then tap to continue, and after that the process will be confirmed and your coins on Trust Wallet will be swapped. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.